With colder weather approaching, people are looking for ways to stop every draft they can in their homes. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about one you might have never even thought about right after this.
The bathroom is one of the main sources of excess moisture and humidity in the home, both of which are signs of poor indoor air quality. Poor indoor air quality can lead to health issues such as increased allergy symptoms, asthma, or respiratory problems. Make sure to use the ventilation fan in your bathroom not only while you shower, but also for 10 minutes afterwards. For a hands-free operation, use a Broan humidity sensing or motion sensing ventilation fan. You can learn more at Broan.com. Broan NewTone, bringing fresh ideas home.
Even if your attic is well insulated, the folding stairs that provide access can be a major source of heat loss. They often are poorly sealed and provide only a thin piece of plywood to keep the heated air from escaping. Begin by checking to see if the attic stairs close tightly, then apply self-adhesive foam weather stripping around the perimeter where the plywood door meets the frame. For extra protection, build an air trap above the stairs using rigid styrofoam insulating board. Tape together a frame around the four sides tall enough to accommodate the folding stairs, and then hinge a door on one side with the same tape. The whole unit is sealed around the perimeter of the entryway with more tape, creating an insulated air trap between itself and the attic stairs. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.